My name is Christian Skoorsmith. I'm a hypnotist, hypnotherapist in Seattle, Washington, and a regular columnist in the NGH Journal of Hypnotism. This August, I'm honored to be presenting at the National Guild of Hypnotists 2026 convention. I'll be teaching a one-hour seminar on stress, the research, clinical implications, and applications, a practical look at how the latest evidence can immediately strengthen your work with clients. I'll also be leading a 2-hour workshop on the neurobiology of trauma and recovery, how trauma wounds and how hypnosis heals. If you're ready to integrate cutting-edge science with transformative hypnotic practice, I'd love to see you there. You can register for the conference at ngh.net and find out more about me at wholehealth.today. See you in August at the NGH Educational Conference and Convention.